Dear students of BCom Part First, today I am introducing a very important lecture on ABC analysis. Students, ABC analysis is an important plan of material control. According to the plan, all items stored in the house are classified into three groups with A, B, and C. This is also known as always better control technique. A, B, C or proportional parts value analysis method. Students, main basis of the classification into various groups is the price of the item. Among the various items consumed in an industry, some items are comprehensive, more important, more costly, and these items constitute a major proportion or the portion of the total value of all the items in the store. Students, therefore, more strict and constant control is necessary over such items. Such classification of various items also helps in determination of the economic order quality. Various items of the material under this section are as follows for the understanding and analysis purpose. Group 1 or the group A. In this group, such items are selected which are comparatively costly and are substantial in the cost structure. Number of such items is very small, but these items represent a major portion of the total value of the material. More capital has to be invested in purchase of the items of this group, which increases the cost of storage. Strict control is necessary over the items in the group of materials, and items included in the group are very sensitive in nature. Coming to group B, in this group, these items of material are included which has important and cost less compared to those included in group A. Capital needed for purchase of these items is neither too large nor too small. Students going to group C, which is equally important for us to understand, items of the material to enlarge in number in a store which have very low cost and included in the group. Number of such items is large, but these represent a very small fraction of the total cost of the material, and the purchase of these items require only a small capital. Such items are purchased in large quantity of the time. We can go for the test checking of each and every item. when we go for and talk about the classification of the inventory. Suppose we have the three groups, group A, group B and group C, and the percentage of the quantity in the store are in group A 10 to 15%, in group B for example 25 to 30%, and in group C 60% to 65%. If we compare it with the value of the percentage in the store, it may be 50 to 70%. In group B, it may be 25 to 30%, but in group C, it may be 10 to 15%. So, what action is required? For group A, strict control system under the supervision of top management is required, as the cost of the goods are very high. When we talk about the group B, continuous watch over the inventory and the supervision of the middle control is very necessary. When we talk about the control C, general control by the lower management is required. Top management and the middle management need not to work hard but just to generalize and to monitor it. ABC plan of the material control can be understood more clearly by the study of the following points as well. Students, if we go for the items of the ABC and the total value of the inventory, for example, in the group A, we have the number of items 70, percentage of the total items is 6, the value for example is 70,000, percentage of the total value is then 70, and the average value per item will be 933. In the similar way, if we go for the category B, for example, number of items are 375, percentage of total number of items will be 30, value 20,000, percentage of the total value 20%, and the average value per item will be 53. Comparing it with the category C, for example, total number of items are 800, percentage of total number of items is 64, value 10,000 rupees, percentage of the total value 10, and the average value per item 12. Therefore, percentage of the total values comes to 100 and the value comes to 1 lakh rupees. Students, it is clear from the table that the items in group A represent 70% of the total cost of the material, while from the number point of view, these represents only 6%. When we talk about the percentage of the total number of items, but cost wise it is high, so it will be kept under category A. But on the other hand, when we talk about the percentage of the total number of items in C, it is 64, but the total percentage of total value is just 10%. So lesser watch to be kept, as the percentage of the total value is 10. Now, dear students, what steps we have to take when we talk about the ABC analysis? The procedure for ABC analysis consists of 6 steps. Determination of quantity in terms of each item to be used over a given period of time. Number 2, determination of price per unit of each item. Number 3, municipality, the projected play price per unit by the projected price unit requirement. Number 4, arrange the items of the total cost. The item should be highest total cost should be listed first. And the 5th, for each item, compute the percentage of the total for units, numbers of the units of each item divided by the total units of all items, and number B, total cost minus total cost of each item divided by total cost of the material. And the number 6 can be plot the percentage of the chart. Thank you very much.